Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting showdown, Evernote versus Obsidian. These are two of the most powerful tools for note-taking and personal knowledge management, but they cater to very different needs. So which one is the best for you? Let's find out in this quick comparison. First up, Evernote. It's one of the oldest and most established names in the note-taking space. It's known for its user-friendly interface and robust organizational tools like notebooks, tags, and powerful search capabilities. Evernote shines when it comes to syncing across multiple devices and integrating with other apps, making it perfect for anyone who needs a seamless and simple note taking experience. Plus, it's great for capturing everything from simple checklists to detailed project plans. Now, let's talk about Obsidian. This is a newer tool that's made waves in the productivity community. What sets Obsidian apart is its focus on building a knowledge graph. You can create a network of linked nodes, giving you an interconnected web of information that's powerful for brainstorming, writing, and research. Obsidian is highly customizable and works completely offline, making it a favorite among people who want full control over their data, but it does have a steeper learning curve compared to Evernote. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for simplicity, cross device syncing, and polished user experience, Evernote is a solid pick. But if you value flexibility, customization, and want to create a powerful network of interconnected notes, Obsidian is your go to. To sum it up, Evernote is great for straightforward note taking and productivity, while Obsidian is ideal for building a personal knowledge base with more depth and flexibility. The best part, you don't have to choose just one. Many users use both depending on their needs. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.